everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Sunday cook with me. Well, it's Saturday here now when I'm cooking, but I wanted to share one of the things that we love to have in the summertime. What does summertime mean? It means grilling and eating the outdoor kind of foods. And one of the things that a lot of folks love to have is barbecue spare ribs. Now, some folks smoke them, and they smoke for hours and hours and hours and hours. Or they boil them or bake them and put them on the grill. But it still takes time, okay? I'm going to show you how to put beautiful, fall off the bone barbecue spare ribs, and I mean with gorgeous barbecue sauce, nice and toasty, in less than 1 hour. So guess what we use to do that? The Instant Pot. So I'm going to show you how to make barbecue spare ribs using your Instant Pot, and the final touches are done under the broiler. So give me a second, I'll bring you down to the counter and we'll get the barbecue, we'll get the spare ribs, they're not barbecued yet, but we'll get them ready to go in the Instant Pot. I'll be right back. Hang in there. Okay, here we are. And I have a nice rack of spare ribs. And I'm going to attempt to get these ready by getting this piece of, I'm not sure what they call it on the back, but it needs to come off. And you can see I've made a little slit, and it's almost like a skin, a coating of skin. And we're just kind of slipping it there, getting it loose. And I'm going to take some paper towel, and I'm going to first turn it this way. Sorry, because I am left-handed. And if I'm going to work at this, here we go. I'm going to take some paper towel and get under this. It takes a little time sometimes to do this. Once it gets going, it goes well. Here we go. Well, we got part of it. I didn't get the whole thing. You see how that's pulling that off? Now, I'm by no means a butcher or an expert at this. This is you and me in the kitchen. And we're going to get this done. Nope. Here we are. Now usually, of course, because I'm filming this, it's going to be more difficult. Usually I get this off pretty easily. There we go. You would have thought. And there you go. And it takes off this coating that keeps, first of all, it keeps your good seasonings from getting to the ribs, but it also makes it harder to cut the ribs. So I'm going to wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, here I am back, and I'll be washing my hands more than once because I'm not a glove person. Well, let's see here. There we go. Well, it flew on the floor, but that's all right. This is G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue rub. I've never tried this one before, but we're going to try it. And get a nice coating. No rib left unturned. Okay. Massage it in nice. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands again and get this ready and move the Instant Pot over so you can see, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's show you what I'm going to put in here. I'm going to put in about 2 cups of water maybe. Okay, and to that, I'm going to add a little bouillon, this beef bouillon. Just for some flavor. I'm going to put just a couple of drops of liquid smoke. And what's important is I'm going to put in some apple cider vinegar. Now, it tells you you can use apple juice. I don't have any apple juice, but the apple cider vinegar will work. Probably about 1/4 cup. That will help to tenderize the ribs. Now I'm going to take that nice rack of ribs that we just fixed. I'm going to stand it right up along the side, just like this. Okay? Put this top on. And we're going to set this for 26 minutes. That's it, folks, 26 minutes. We'll let it release, and then we'll get on to the last part of it. So I'll be back as soon as this gets to the 26 minutes. See you in a bit. Okay, the pot shut off. Look at this. Woo! Can almost get it out without the bones falling out. Push this back, wait a minute. You can see, look at the meat will come right off the bones. Okay, so now what we're going to do, take our barbecue sauce, slather it on. I think we're used to the roll up. Okay, because I used this before. Let me just get a little spatula. The grill is on high. We're going to take this and put it under the broiler till it's nice and bubbly. Take it back out when it's out. Okay, there we are. Look at this. Let me just cut a piece. Wait a minute, it just breaks. I can't figure out where to break it. There you go. Look at that. Perfect. Barbecue spare ribs. 1 hour on the table. Baked beans and onion rings. Looks good, huh? Yummy, yummy. Let me see if I can taste it for you. Hold on. Okay, here I am. I'll get a taste. Melts in your mouth. I didn't let them release by themselves the whole time. And if you do, it's even more tender. But they are wonderful. Try it. 1 hour barbecue ribs. Okay, see you for the next craft show. Until I see you again, everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.